We'll guide you through how to use Asana for Teams, making your collaborative projects a breeze. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to asana.com, log in to your account. If you haven't created an account yet, you can quickly sign up using your email. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. To start collaborating with your team, you need to create a project. Click on the Create Project button, usually at the top of your screen. Here, you can choose to start from a blank project, use a template, or import a spreadsheet. Templates are great for common workflows like marketing plans or product launches. Give your project a name, select the workspace, and choose the privacy settings. You can decide if this project is public to your team or private to invite-only members. After setting up your project, you can start adding tasks. Click on the Add Task button and enter the task name. You can assign it to a team member by clicking on the Assignee field. Set due dates by clicking on the calendar icon. This helps everyone know when their tasks are due. To add more details to each task, click on the task itself. Here, you can add descriptions, attach files, and leave comments for discussions. You can also create sections to organize your tasks. Just click on Add Section and name it. Maybe something like To Do, In Progress, or Completed. This will help your team see the workflow and progress. One of the great features of Asana is the timeline view. It gives you a visual representation of your project schedule, helping you see dependencies and adjust timelines easily. Click on the Timeline tab to access it. To bring your team on board, click on the Share button in your project and invite team members by entering their email addresses. They'll receive an invitation to join the project. Asana also integrates with other tools you might be using, like Slack or Google Drive, which can streamline communication and file sharing. Finally, use the portfolio feature to track the progress of multiple projects in one place. This is perfect for managers overseeing several teams. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.